One of the more common requests we get from customers is that they're wanting to upgrade their sound system, but either can't remove the factory radio or to do so is an extremely expensive option. The Pioneer DEQ-S1000A allows you to take the audio output from the factory radio and build your dream system without breaking the budget. The ability to access a huge range of audio adjustments is at your fingertips with the DEQ-S1000A's free partnered smartphone app, Pioneer SoundTune. With the DEQ-S1000A and Pioneer SoundTune app, you can cancel factory time alignment and EQ settings, then apply a huge selection of audio and tuning adjustments to create a customized sound system. Connection is easy. Either connect by hardwiring speaker inputs, using plug-and-play adapters, which are available from most car audio dealers, or by RCA input if you're wanting to upgrade an aftermarket radio. The DEQ-S1000A provides a 4x50 speaker output for those just wanting to upgrade speakers. But for those wanting to build larger systems, the inbuilt 6-channel high-performance 48-bit DSP with 4V RCA pre-outs allow for connection to multiple amplifiers, speakers and subwoofers. Once the system is installed, the ability to customise your audio system is in your hands with the Pioneer SoundTune app. Providing highly detailed tuning ability, you can create a truly awesome sound system directly from your smartphone. With the ability to apply source calibration, adjust time alignment, 13 and 31 band graphic equalizer settings, high pass and low pass crossovers, filter slopes, individual speaker levels and much more, you're in total control. Don't get stuck with your boring factory sound system. Upgrade today with the Pioneer DEQ-S1000A and SoundTune to unlock your audio system's potential.